feel so wonderful to just surrender into divine love, divine joy, and beginning to deepen in that process? We take a deep inhale, inhaling in, inspire in spirit, that divine that is everywhere, connecting with that divine in our own heart. Remembering that we are all one heart. Thump, thump. Thump, thump. Thump, thump. And you know what else? We can expand that heart in us, that one heart in us, 360 degrees out to every atom in the universe. Thump, thump. Connecting with the joy and the goodness of the divine that beats in the heart of every atom in the universe. Joy and goodness. And we are a piece of that. Thump, thump. Thump, thump. And as we spend some seconds in the silence, we open our hearts to whatever comes from that joyful heart of the universe, the joyful, loving, protective heart of the divine. That is us, and that is everywhere. Beginning now. And having received in this sacred silence, we pull those sunbeams back into our own hearts, connecting with everyone in the universe. And if there is someone for whom you want to send some special love, some special prayers, from this wonderful place where we gather in community as one, knowing that those prayers are strengthened as we are together in this sacred space and time. Say the names of those people aloud, softly. Earl, Betsy, Heather. And knowing that consciously or unconsciously, they are feeling that love, that prayer sent out to them. And remembering that we are here all connected in this community, that is such a grace that we are in. Slowly open your eyes, stretch a little, return to this time and this space, remembering the divine in you, connecting